In the last video, we covered the ETH stake and RPL bond needed to start a Rocket Pool mini pool. In this lesson, we'll discuss some pros and cons of operating a mini pool so that you can decide if it is right for you. As a node operator, what are your responsibilities? What upfront costs, setup steps, all the rewards? What can you expect? Well, let's get started. Hello all, JT here. As a node operator, your validating Ethereum node is regularly assigned duties according to a randomized schedule. These duties include regular attestations, sync committee participation, and block proposals. Fortunately, each of these duties can be performed automatically by validator software that you can run on a small, energy-efficient computer from home. As your validator performs these duties, it is rewarded with ETH. Rocket Pool divides these rewards between the node operator and the RETH holders, with the node operator receiving a larger cut for their effort. As such, the main responsibility of a node operator is setting up validator hardware and software and keeping it online and ready to perform its duties. Node operators must be prepared to keep their nodes secure, apply regular software updates, and address any issues that may pop up. Node operators are responsible for their own performance. The rewards that you earn are directly correlated with how well you can keep your node online and healthy. No person or software is perfect. It's normal to have some downtime. Either is needed to perform updates or due to factors outside your control. While your node is offline, your validator balance will slowly decrease. This is referred to as leaking. As a rule of thumb, if your node is offline for X hours, it will take another X hours of being online to recover the leaked ETH. It's worth ensuring that you're able to commit to long-term node maintenance, but don't worry too much about the occasional downtime. Node operators staking from home should feel comfortable taking vacations. Once your node is running smoothly, you should expect to check on it at least once per week, although it may not need intervention that regularly. However, you should expect to spend a decent amount of time and resources setting up your node. A competent staking computer could cost between $800 and $2,000 US. Invest wisely in good hardware, whatever the case. Additionally, Rocket Pool is operated through a system of smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, which require a significant amount of ETH as gas to set up a new node and mini pools. The Rocket Pool community has built a spreadsheet to estimate these costs, which can be found in the links below. Finally, you should expect to set aside a few weekends to progress through this course and fully set up your node. If any of these costs or risks seem excessive to you, you might want to consider alternatives to Rocket Pool node operation. First and foremost, you could simply obtain RETH, the liquid staking token of Rocket Pool. This allows you to capture most of the yield of staking with almost none of the costs, the work, or risks of actually running your own mini pool. If you are concerned by the Rocket Pool smart contracts or holding the RPL token, you might consider solo staking instead. We hope this video has helped you weigh the various considerations, and we hope you are here and ready to participate in this exciting realm of staking at home. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.